Good day, everyone. I am Deidre Eureka Picapada, and I'm here to report about the cultural heritage and its importance to tourism. So, what is cultural heritage? Is the legacy of physical and intangible things passed down from the past. It includes tangible items like buildings and artifacts, and intangible elements like traditions and languages. It connects us to our history and shapes our identity. So, ang cultural heritage kay kuha na siya, um it's like memory na siya sa ato ang sa isa ka lugar nga murag ga-influence or gahatag og influence sa mga tao kung unsa na unsay culture ana, kung unsay nahimo nahitabo ana or unsay history ana nga lugar. Cultural heritage is incredibly important for several reasons. Identity and belonging. Cultural heritage connects us to our past, shaping our identity and worldview. So, ang cultural heritage kay mara siya gahatag og overview sa ato sa past kung unsay nahitabo sa like history sa ato ang country or sa tong lugar, sa tong place. Economic benefits. Cultural heritage can boost economies through tourism and inspire creative industries. So ang economic benefit kanang maghatag siya like ma-modernize niya ang ato ang economy and maka-inspire siya, maghatag siya og inspiration of makabuild siya in a way nga creative ang ato ang country or place. Industry, tourism. Social and community development. Cultural heritage preserves tradition and foster communities. So, kaning cultural heritage kay gahatag sila og importance sa traditions. Ang nana siya two kinds of ano man gud siya, intangible o tangible. So, ato na siyang i-tackle later kung unsa nang unsay difference nilang duha og similarities. Education and learning. Cultural heritage teaches history and promotes intercultural understanding. So, oh, based sa basically the murag bitog educational purpose ang cultural heritage kay gatudlo siya or gapakita siya history o culture sa isa ka lugar. Environmental sustainability. Cultural heritage protects natural and cultural landscapes and enriches our lives, contributing to a more just and equitable society. Cultural heritage is a major driver of tourism, offering several benefits. So yeah, ano to siya. Preservation and conservation. Mag-preserve ano ni siya. So ang tangible heritage kay like example historical sites, um wait, so yeah, intangible what's it tangible heritage kay physical objects placed with cultural significance, include siya buildings, monuments, artifacts, and landscapes. So kanang mahikapan nimo or like physical or like gibuild siya or like makuan nimo siya basta ma-feel nimo siya, ma-touch ana. Intangible heritage kay festivals and traditions, music and dance. So, intangible, non-physical cultural heritage like traditions, costumes, and skills, and includes oral traditions, performing arts, and social practices. So, like, unsa inyong culture, unsa inyong language, unsa inyong um, festival, unsa inyong gi-celebrate ana, ang music, ang inyong mga like tradition ninyo din na nga lugar, place, tradition na nga place, unsay mga kuan dira, history nga like unsay gibuhat sa una sa imong ninuno ana. So yeah, more to siya. Thank you.